to new generate, go straight to the color, then you choose the color that you prefer. I'll go with a bluish color. Click OK. Let me just make it a little bit darker, like it's kind of a darker blue color. Click OK. Then you add it straight to your timeline. Then from your timeline you go straight to filters, you come straight here, then you search for crop circle. Let me just search for crop circle, then I'll come straight to my crop circle. Then for my crop circle, I just make it a little bit small, just like that. Then I can remove the transparency. Then I come here, then I go straight to text. You can put like text simple. Then for my text simple, I gotta write step 1. Then from here, all you have to do is just come downwards. You can use this, come here, and you can use bold. You can change this to be, let's go with 42. Just click OK. Just make sure like your text is in between. Come here, just like that, right? Then from here, all I have to do right now is just click Ctrl I to duplicate it, Ctrl I to duplicate it 3 times. So for the first step, I want it to move a little bit to the right, so I'll come here, I'm right here, then I'll write position. Then from my position, just come to my position. Then I have to come here, go to 3, so that I can just drag, let me go with 4, so that I can drag this straight here. Then all I have to do is just click Ctrl C, go straight to the video track number 2, Ctrl V, then I drag this, put it straight in the beginning. Then you go straight to position, just drag this, put it between, go to text, then just write 2, drag that again, click Ctrl C, go to this video track, make sure you in the beginning, Ctrl V, you go to number 3, just write 3. From there, then just drag this, go straight to position, drag this, then you put it straight to that side. So this is generally what we have. Click Ctrl Shift E to screenshot. Then from here you go back to online, go straight to Gemini. Then from Gemini, come straight to that ad. You gotta upload straight the picture. You go straight to find the picture where it is. Make sure you go to gemini.google.com, then you go straight to the picture, then you open it, then you come straight to your Shotcut. Then let me go straight to notes. Then you have to write this description. Also leave it on the comment section. Fix the circle in the picture to look like they are made by a pro level team. The circles should be more 3D in the style of an Apple ad. Make the background green so I can edit, so that I can remove it later when I edit the pictures. Just click Ctrl C to the entire thing, and you go back to here and just paste it there. Then what Gemini will generally do, it will just change those circles to look more 3D like. Then that is it. That's step 1, step 2 and step 3. Then you just take them, download them as they are. Then come to your project, go straight to playlist, you go straight to open, then you go straight to drag the pictures where, okay, from here you just select your picture, then you drag it and put it here, then you click you delete all the clips that you had in your timeline. Just drag this picture, then you put it straight in your timeline. Then from here you just come straight to filters, you go straight here, then you just write chroma key. So from our chroma key, so all you have to do, you go straight to chroma key advanced, then all we gotta do, just select this pencil, then you select it, then you're done with that. Don't stress, because you can see like the difference. There's a difference. If you come straight here, you go straight to color, then you choose the color that you prefer. I'll just go straight to white, then I click it, then I click add to the timeline. If you drag this, then you put it below this, you'll notice that the green screen is removed. Although when I mute it like this, you can still see like that green screen. So now it is time for us to animate all of this. So let's do it. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna come here, then click Ctrl Shift E to re-screenshot this. Then after screenshotting it, you go straight to resend, then you go straight to your screenshot. Just take your screenshot and you put it there. Then from there you can just delete this, and delete this. So you can see from your screenshot, like we don't have any background color from here, so that means we can just drop each individual part, then focus straight to it. So you're gonna drag this, then you put it straight to your timeline, then you can just then you can start to drop, then you can drop this. You can just drop it as a circle also, if you want to. Then you can just try to position this later on, but I will just be using like a drop rectangle. I think it's very easy for me. Then from here, all I have to do, I can just start with the first step, just drag this and like the first step, then you go downwards, then you can animate this like the way you want it. Go straight to my keyframe, select that, select that from there, and I just have to zoom this. Then maybe around here, it to be up. So if you can't see that button, just come here, you go straight to his zoom by 10%, then you can drag this back to the circle, back to here, then you just come here, then you can change this to ease out circular. You can just do it any kind of an ease out, but I'll go with ease out circular for this one. Then that's it. You have to do the same thing also to another circles, then I'll just show you the final results. So guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Thank you guys, thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you did like it. Please don't forget to leave the comment below so that you can let us know what we can do on the next video. I'll leave everything that I use here in the link below, where you'll find everything that I did and also the full explanation of each and every step I took. Thank you so much. I'll also leave the prompt in the first link. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you on the next one.